course, you've got to balance your time between searching for new, exciting areas that you can learn about and learning about those areas that you already know to have.
Could be that, I'm just a victim of novelty, right? Oh, that's super interesting. Look at this, but let me important read. Nah, nah, nah. And every day, very often, I repeat the same thing. And I discover new information, new stuff that I want to learn. But then I import this in Supermemo and sits there unprocessed, waiting me for a review to read that. And I keep importing and importing, and then I don't read anything. So yes, at some point I want to get value of what I wanted to read and learn from. If I always keep importing and repeating the same thing, I'm not going to learn anything, right? I'm going to learn superficially enough when I make the decision. Oh wow, based on this, I make the knowledge evaluation. This is a high value. Let me import it in Supermemo. Whatever I learn from that, because since I don't process in Supermemo, I will be victim of forgetting. And this kind of happened to me. I had like a honeymoon period in Supermemo, and it led me to import half a million, not import, but half a million elements in my collection. And I realized, yeah, I have everything I ever want to read, which becomes unmanageable. But I'm not reading anything. I'm investing time on adding more stuff. One quick analogy. So imagine you are single. You want to meet new people. Then you meet some interesting people. I think you are in the same vibe. I'm attracted to you. And I want to get you know better and spend more time with you, but with that person. But then, as I make this decision, I still look for other new people. And the time that I invest on seeking new people is time I don't spend on the people I already wanted to spend time with. And this iteration will be repeating and repeating. At the end of the day, I won't be spending time with people I want to know better because I will keep not getting to know new people. And it's a never-ending process. So it's a good thought, at least in the learning perspective, especially in Supermemo, that is so easy to import a lot more content that you can ever process.